Hey sweetness, welcome to another vlog. I know I look the same as yesterday, but literally, I mean my previous vlog, but literally I just filmed that vlog's video intro because I wasn't wearing makeup that whole day. Anyways, so today I'm just vlogging a bit because I got some misguided items which I am just absolutely obsessed with. This is the Playboy Misguided collection. This is like an oversized tee. Let me show you guys here. It's like a cute oversized tee. And then I also have this sweater. Yeah, which is really cute. So I'm gonna film an Instagram reel quickly showing you guys how I style it. And then we're gonna go ahead and shoot this outfit with my sister-in-law. She takes amazing photos, so I'm so excited to shoot these outfits. And I don't know what we do next, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog with me. If you're not subscribed yet, girl, you know what to do. Click that like button and leave a comment down below. Before I forget, in case you guys were wondering, if you from our South African subscribers, how I got these is I use shipito. I will put the link for you guys down below on how I use it. Obviously South African customs actually schneid us with customs and duties and VATs and clearance. It's actually insane, but you know what, sometimes it's worth it. I will link it for you guys down below so you can have a look and see what shipito is and how to use it. If you're in the US, girl, you're so lucky. You should appreciate having Misguided right there by you. Don't ever complain about shipping charges, okay? I love this sweatshirt. I kind of wish it was still cold weather so I could keep wearing this because it's just so cute. Jaya says the sun is not too bright, so we'll see. But this is basically the little fence, or the beautiful fence, that my dad and Kev did this weekend. So I'm going to try and take some photos in front of that. Wow, this angle is literally trolling me. We just finished our little mini photo shoot. I might do another outfit because the sun is still looking gorgeous and I absolutely love how these images came out. I cannot wait to post them. She is actually so talented. Like, she literally must do more photography because she made me look so good. So we're going to shoot a second outfit. This is also from Misguided. It's the t-shirt tie-dye Playboy collection, and paired it up with a cute shoulder over cross bag and some Air Force Ones. Lately I've just been loving Air Force Ones. These cute oversized scrunchies are actually from by Simone on Instagram. I'll link all the details for you guys down below in the description. You can kind of just click on there and it will take you straight to the brand or product. So yeah, I don't know guys, like, this makes me so happy, just vlogging and just doing something fun. I have to say, like, these sort of vlogs just really make me so happy. I love filming content that's just like my everyday life. It's just like doing what I do, not being fake, not trying to be perfect, not trying to get the likes or the views or the whatever, because I fell into that trap where I was really focusing on that. And now I kind of just want to vlog and do stuff that I'm excited about. And this is one of those things. I was actually very inspired when I watched Amanda Ensing's vlog on where she said why I have changed, and I could relate with her so hard because it really like became about the likes and the engagement and the views and the what, and then you end up focusing on what's gonna make it big, what's gonna get a lot of views, what's gonna really blow up on social media, instead of focusing on the stuff that you like and really just portraying your personality. So definitely watch it if you have some time, because it inspired me to also even though I've been focusing on this more lately, it actually was like confirmation of, girl, what you're doing, you're in your lane, you're doing good, you're doing great. And I kind of feel like I can be myself again, which is really amazing and super inspiring to myself as well. Look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. So we just finished shooting our stuff. I think I'm just gonna sort all of this out tomorrow. Maybe do like a cleaning motivation and take you guys with me. Tonight we're just gonna have like leftovers from last night, because me and Andrea is eating really healthy. Not really following a diet, but just like you know, have a plan of what we're eating. Just want to put my laptop on charge. And we are exercising every single day. Everything's going really good. Oh, I think I have a blister. So I'm quite excited. It's nice like exercising with her, because we push each other. So we go for walks in the mornings, and then we have like either YouTube videos we're doing, or this workout plan from Sarah Day, which is insane, by the way. If you want to die, not literally, but just like your muscles, then definitely check out. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing now. Nothing exciting. The previous vlog that's probably up already, and maybe try and upload that and get that going. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It's very relaxing editing vlogs, and I just really love it. So I keep doing this like anyways, I like this video if you enjoy this content, and let me know down below if you want anything specific, that if there's anything specific that you would like me to film. I really want to do like a what I eat in a day, but I want to know if you guys want to see it. So I really need to talk about these white glow products that I got, which I'm very excited about, because my toothpaste finished. So this means that I don't have to go and buy toothpaste. And also I used white glow in the past, and I really enjoyed it. But I'm so excited about this range, because this is actually very expensive. It comes with like a daily whitening and a whitening thingy, and so I'm very happy about this. I'm gonna do that. And then I'm doing a campaign with GynoGuard, which I've also used in the past, and I really like that for your little intimate area. Cute little tee because it's kind of cold outside, but underneath I have this really cute gym set. This is from Squat, so covering everything up today. I think this makeup came out so cute. I filmed the little challenge, put your records on, makeup challenge for Instagram reels, and this is what it looks like. What I used was the new Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild palette. This is the Jungle Rock palette, and it's actually got really nice eyeshadows inside if you want to be colorful and fun, even for nudes as well. There's like beautiful golds and mattes and that sort of thing. It's just so cool. And then I'm wearing this lip gloss over a lippy. But yeah, this is the situation, and I thought I would do a little clean with me video, maybe add some cool music and just have you watch me clean, put everything in its place, because even there I need to sort out that area as well. I'm probably gonna redo my makeup because we're going out tonight. It's one of my friend's birthdays. I don't really want to wear makeup like this to a dinner, you know. I don't know, it's a bit weird like having a face like this, but I absolutely love this look. I think it's so cute. So without further ado, let's get cleaning. The first time I worked with them, and I absolutely loved you know, that palette. And you know, as soon as things are launched they get it in. I don't know how they do that, but when I unbox this a little bit later today, but I first want to really focus just on cleaning and getting everything neat and tidy before we open this.
Where am I?
Obviously Ivan doesn't know this place, so I had to give him a riding because it just weed against the wall. He never wheezes in the house, so this is so weird. But I know that this is not like his home, so he feels like he has to mark everything, and I just got so angry right now. I just finished vacuuming. I actually forgot to film that. My kit. What was that? My kit. I still have to sort out. I think I'll do that maybe tomorrow. That's a job on its own, because I want to like not recycle makeup, but like put other stuff in and take some stuff out and check expiration dates and that sort of thing. I'm having a bit of Kingsley Cola Zero, very tasty. So let's unbox my phone. Where is my phone? I almost formatted this card. Okay. Thing is, I know what is inside. I know what is inside. Oh, how can this get so excited about makeup? I don't know. I should have actually recorded that on my freaking Instagram. That actually just gave me an idea to film like a little reels, so I'm gonna put you guys in for my reels. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. My biggest fear is that I would drop this while filming this thing. Just redid my makeup. I was gonna wear my hair down, but I kind of like it up like this, so. It's the golden hour. Yeah. We always drive past my brother-in-law. Like, it's so weird. We like almost every day when we drive past him.
Brother from another mother.
There's a lekker bra. Brother. Het tyd lyk so mooi as dit uitsteek.
It's